Welcome each and every one of you to this session. This is Introduction to Creating an Aligned Life. Okay, so I suggest that you keep your cameras off and pay attention here. And as I said, there's a lot of information that I'm going to share with you. Now, hamari zindagi jo hai, if you look at it, it revolves around three major issues. Even right now, if you have any issue in your life right now, you will find it falls in one of these categories. Whatever we do in our life, hamari zindagi jo hai, either we have some health related concerns, we have some wealth related concerns, or we have some relationship related concerns. Okay, so it's health, wealth, or relationship. It's not in this specific order. Health, wealth, वो कहने में ज़्यादा आसान लगता है, अच्छा लगता है. इस वजह से I use it like this: health, wealth, and relationship. But it could be relationship for some people. Relationship could be the first thing for some people. They may not have any health issues. Now, some people may not have any health or relationship issues. They may have some wealth issues. Some people may have no wealth issues. They just have some relationship issues or some health issues. So you will find, but these are the major, three things जिसके इर्द गिर्द इंसान की जिंदगी घूमती रहती है. और हमारे जितने भी issues आते हैं, जितने भी challenges आते हैं, जितने भी concerns आते हैं, वो इन issues में. Now, these are like broader headlines. Okay, within these there are further distinctions. We'll look into that. I read this quotation. This is such a beautiful thing. It's that the tragedy in life doesn't lie in not reaching your goals. The tragedy lies in having no goals to reach. Let's think about this. A lot of people live their lives with no specific goals in their, for them to live. They just pass their time. और time आप देखिए कैसे पास होता है. अभी 2020 चल रहा था और लोग कोरोना से परेशान थे और हो रहा था भाई जल्दी ये कब खत्म होगा, 2020 कब खत्म होगा, 2021 आएगा तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And that was the kind of expectations people had. 2021 आया and see 2021 खत्म हो रहा है. Okay, and probably if you're watching a recording of it, probably it's already it's already 2022. Okay, or maybe 2023. This time just passes so quickly. Okay, so the question is, did you do anything about what you set out? When this year began, or the previous year began, or the year before that began, did you do anything? Did you get any results? Okay. If not, why? So you see, अगर अब हम बात करें ना कि हम क्या चीज जिंदगी में change करना चाहते हैं, so चाहे हमारी health हो, wealth हो, relationships हो. If you think about this, we basically want to change the quality of our life, the quality of our relationships that we are living, the quality of health that we have. So if we are not healthy, we want to get healthier. If we don't have good relationships, we want to have better relationships. If we don't have enough, wealth in our life, we are not experiencing the kind of wealth we want better quality of wealth. So overall, if you think about this health, wealth, relationship, what we really want to do is we want to improve the quality of our life. We want to have better things, better experiences in this world. Okay, so in order to have those better experiences, इस दुनिया को अल्लाह ताला ने दारुल अस्बाब बनाया है. Okay, so मैं अगर या कोई भी शख्स जो है वो बीज ना डाले और वो ये सोचे कि उसके पास कोई बड़ा खूबसूरत बाग निकल आएगा, it doesn't work. It's like अगर the way this world works is, if you think about it, if you notice कि जो जंगली दरख्त होते हैं वो खुद ब खुद निकलते हैं. लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके घर में एक लॉन हो, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके पास एक बागीचा हो, then you have to work for it. You have to work on it. Okay, it doesn't happen automatically. हम चाहते हैं कि जी बड़ा खूबसूरत हमारे पास खेत हो. We have to work for it. So if we want better health, we have to work for it. If you want better relationships, we have to work for it. If you want better finances or more wealth, we have to work for it. So हमारे जो quality of life है in any of these three areas that we have discussed, it depends upon the quality of actions that we are taking. Now, if we are not taking the right quality of actions, right kind of actions, now what does that mean, by the way? As an example, like, so for example, कोई शख्स अपनी हेल्थ इंप्रूव करना चाहता है मगर वो हफ्ते में 15 दिन में एक दिन एक्सरसाइज करता है. नाउ ही में से भाई मैं एक्शन तो ले रहा हूँ, but that's not the quality of action required to improve his health. Somebody wants to improve his wealth, but वो उसके लिए कोई कभी कभार थोड़ी सी बचत कर लेता है, कभी कभार अपनी इनकम बढ़ाने के लिए कोई चीज सीखने की कोशिश कर लेता है, बट उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करता. So that's not a quality action. A quality action is a different kind of thing. It's something that you do on more regular basis. And देखिए कितनी बार ऐसा होता है that people set out goals and they start with a lot of energy and then they lose all of that energy. Something happens, just again life happens, and then people lose all of their energy. उसके बाद फिर होता है कि यार स्टार्ट किया था तो बड़े जोश में थे और वो सारा जोश जो है खत्म हो गया. Okay, so जो क्वालिटी ऑफ एक्शन है इस पे आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ डिपेंड करती है. मगर अब सवाल ये आता है कि जो एक्शन है हमारा ये किस चीज पे डिपेंड करता है. Okay, this basically depends a lot about the talents that you already have and the skills that you learn. Now कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो कि आपके अंदर built in आपकी qualities हैं, यानी वो talents जो अल्लाह ताला ने आपको दिए हैं जो without your effort develop हुए हैं because of the circumstances you were in, because of the parenting that you received, because of the situations that you went through in your life. You have developed certain talents. Okay, so you may have developed the ability to speak up, to be confident. You may have developed the ability to save money. You may have developed the ability to get along with a variety of people. So different people may have different talents. Okay, and ये वो चीजें हो सकती हैं जिसको आप for granted लेते हो. It's like you never thought of it that you have a talent, but other people praise you on that. And then दूसरी चीज वो है वो skills that you learn. Okay, so if you want to maintain your health, there are certain set of skills you need to learn, the certain knowledge that you need to acquire. And if you want to maintain your have better wealth, it's the same thing. If you want to have better relationship, it's the same things. So the kind of skills you have learned and the talents that you have developed or you already possess. Now ये जो talents हैं या skills हैं इनको सीखने में जो चीज जिस पे ये depend करते हैं. And it's like circles जो ये screen पे आपको छोटे होते नजर आ रहे हैं, but it's basically like you're actually going deeper and deeper into this. Okay, so if you see, because ये हमारे पास एक flat screen पे आप देख रहे हैं, but if you imagine it's like this and we are going like deeper and deeper into this. Okay, so we have this quality of life we want to improve. Okay, but this quality of life ke piche jo this is actions that we take, and then behind that is the talents, and so it's like they're going deeper into this. Okay, so I want you to consider these circles in that way. So now behind these talents is the patterns of thinking that you have. Like, why is it that we learn something but we don't really implement it? We get really excited about something, to do something, to take some actions, but we don't really do it. Okay, not long enough. हमें ख्याल आता है एक्सरसाइज करने का, 2-3 दिन 4 दिन जिम जाते हैं, बड़े जोश से एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, and then we stop. Why do we do that? That's because of the patterns of thinking that we have. Okay, if we keep running the same kind of patterns, we keep getting into the same kind of issues. Okay, now ये जो हमारे patterns of thinking है, ये किस चीज पे डिपेंड करते हैं. Okay, and understand this. As I said, we are going deeper into your psyche, deeper inside your personality. Because होता क्या है, हम आम तौर से हम surface level पे देख रहे होते हैं और हम ये सोच रहे होते हैं यार मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरी सेहत सही नहीं है, मेरे रिलेशनशिप खराब है, यानी जो चीज हमें surface पे नजर आ रही है, मगर उसके पीछे reasons क्या है, उसके पीछे causes क्या है, हम उसको नहीं देख रहे होते. और जब हम causes को ठीक नहीं करते, हम उन causes को correct नहीं करते, हमारे जो surface level के results हैं वो change नहीं होते. Okay, so अब ये जो patterns of thinking है, इसके पीछे क्या चीज है? The principles that you live by. What are the principles that you live by? Now, this is something that people are not even consciously aware of. But if I ask you, what in your life do you stand for? Okay, some people may confuse this with values. Okay, especially my NLP students may have this, oh, this is about values. No, it's not about values. It's about the principles you have. Okay, so it's like our values keep on changing. जब हम छोटे होते हैं हमारी values different होती हैं, हम जवान होते हैं हमारी values different होती हैं, हमारी शादी नहीं होती है तो values different होती हैं, शादी हो जाती है, बच्चे हो जाते हैं, values change होती रहती हैं. But there are certain core principles that we live with. What are those principles? So, for example, let's say somebody with has a principle कि जी no matter what, even अगर मेरी जान चली जाए, मैं अपनी फैमिली को नुकसान नहीं होने दूंगा. That's a principle the person may be living with. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so different people will have different principles they live by. So अगर हमारे ये principles हमारे उन thought patterns को support नहीं करते हो, we have a misaligned kind of life. Okay, अगर हमारी ये thinking patterns हमारी skills को और हमारी talents को support नहीं करते हो, we have misalignment. अगर हमारी जो talents और skills हैं ये हमारे actions को support नहीं करते हो, we have misalignment. Are you getting this? So there are so many possibilities of not having alignment in our life. Because हमारी शख्सियत के, हमारी जिंदगी के, there are so many levels. So we need to make changes at many different levels. Okay. Now, then principles, it's like, even if you go behind this, is the being the state of being that you live with. हम इस दुनिया में जब आते हैं तो हर बच्चा जो है वो फितरत पे पैदा होता है. And then we learn to live in a certain way. We learn to operate in a certain way. मुझे याद आ रहा है, मैं it's like even when I was a student, I used to observe कि हमारे कुछ student friends होते थे. So there was one particular friend कि no matter where he was, हम इत्तेफाक से वो मेरा neighbor भी था, वो मेरा स्कूल का भी दोस्त था. So and we had a number of different circles of friends जहाँ पे हम लोग दोनों को साथ होते थे. And I noticed wherever he was, people were making fun of him. Okay, were poking jokes on him. And I wondered why. But now I know why. Because that's the way that he was being with those people. हम किस तरह से किसी सिचुएशन में, हालात में अपने आप को कैरी कर रहे हैं, जिसके आसान लफ्जों में अगर हम बोलें, so the way you carry yourself. Now, it has a lot of deeper things within this. I'll come back to this in a moment. Okay, so is it making sense so far? ये चीज समझ में आ रही है?